Ahoy, me Hardy's Captain Nick here, and today we're going to be talking about sailor superstitions, especially amongst pirates. The first one involves a rhyme, which makes it easy to remember, and it goes like this. Red skies at night, sailors delight. This usually means that if you see red skies at night, the next day is going to be perfect for sailing and plundering, perfect weather for that. The second part of that goes, red skies in morning, sailors take warning. This means that if you see red skies in the morning, that there's usually a storm on the horizon, so probably best just to stay in the harbor. The next superstition is kind of a silly one, and it involves bananas. The reason why bananas are bad luck is because bananas, when you pick them up in the harbor or on shore, usually carry spider eggs on them. And as everybody knows, when spider eggs hatch, you have usually 200 spiders inside of them, and they get all over the ship and start biting the pirates and the sailors. And this doesn't really bode very well for everybody on board a ship when it's really cramped and close quarters. And they were such bad luck that pirates and sailors usually never called them bananas, usually just called them curved yellow fruits, refused to say the word bananas. Even today, modern times, bananas are still considered bad luck, especially among the fishing community. Bananas aren't allowed on boats because usually if you bring in a banana on a boat, you're not going to catch any fish. The next one is the albatross. The albatross is a large seabird, much like a seagull. Now, ancient mariners believed that the albatross was actually the soul of a mariner lost at sea trying to find his way home. And it was bad luck, it was considered bad luck to harm an albatross. The next one is the pig. Now, why is a pig bad luck? Well, usually when a ship was abandoned or shipwrecked on an island or on a reef, pigs were usually the only thing left behind. Because pigs were sometimes so ravenous that they would take care of the crew before anybody was there to rescue them. And the last one I want to talk to you guys about is whistling. Now, why is whistling such bad luck? Because sailors and pirates believed that if you were whistling on the deck, you were challenging the wind. And if you were challenging the wind would usually kick up a massive storm and blow all your sails over and everything else. And usually the only person allowed to whistle on the crew was the cook, because that meant that he wasn't stealing your food. Well, me hearties, I want to thank you for joining me out here today, and I want to see you back again real soon.